How to reset Messenger pin code. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can easily reset the Messenger pin code. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Messenger app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And once you are inside the app, simply tap on the three dash icon shown in the top left corner of the screen. And from the pop-up menu, simply tap on the settings icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you do that, you'll be prompted to the settings section. From here, simply scroll down and tap on privacy and safety. And here you can see the option labeled end-to-end encrypted chats. So simply tap on that, and here you simply need to tap on the option labeled message storage to access the pin code option. And in this section you can see the option to reset pin. So simply tap on that. Now here simply enter a new 6-digit password. And once you're done with that, simply tap on send. And on the another page, you simply need to re-enter the pin to confirm it. And that's it. Now you have created a new encryption pin for your Messenger. And that's how you can reset Messenger pin code. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.